Hi friends, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts. I'm glad you're here today because I am going to do day 4 in Create December, and the word today is cozy, so that should be fun. Day 1 was tradition with my little hedgehog and llama, and day 2 was joy. And then day 3 was my little Pusheen family that I am so in love with. So stick around and see what I do for cozy. Thanks! Alrighty, when I think of cozy, I think of curling up on the couch after my kids have gone to bed and the lights are down in the house, and I have a warm blanket, and I watch the Great British Baking Show with my husband, and it is our unwind and eat treats after the kids go to bedtime, and that makes me feel very cozy. So that is what my December daily Create December, that's what it's called, prompt is going to be about today. So instead of blathering your ear off, I'm just going to put on a little music and let you see what I do. And I'm not an artist, like I said. I have my laptop in front of me and I found some little characters that I thought were adorable. And so I'm just looking at the computer screen trying to draw what I see. And it's whimsical and it's fun and nothing about it is serious. So if you like little kawaii characters and cute desserts, then stick around and see how I make a cute little dancing cake and macaroon, and then you can see how I journal in the end. And I hope that you guys are having fun with Create December. Check out Bree at Documented Journey, and you can see the list of prompts on her Create December initial post. And if you use the hashtag Create December, I think you can check out a ton of different people giving their rendition. So mine is just more of a practice in drawing every day. So I really appreciate you stopping by to check out what I get up to during this Create December. So I hope you enjoy it, and this will just be one way. We'll keep mixing it up, and I hope you subscribe. Thanks!